आइए अब हम थ्योरम 3 देखते हैं, जो इस प्रकार है कि if x and y are not odd multiple of pi by 2, then 10x equals 10y implies x is equal to n pi plus y where n belongs to integer. अब हम इसका प्रूफ देखें तो दिया गया है कि 10x equals 10y. This implies 10x minus 10y equals 0. If we put 10x is equal to sin x divided by cos x and 10y equals to sin y upon cos y, we will get sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y divided by cos x into cos y equals to 0. This will give us sin x minus y equals 0. By first theorem, this implies x minus y equals n pi. This implies x is equal to n pi plus y where n belongs to integer.